Good day, Ma. Welcome to my office. How may I help you? I want to know the best things I can do to keep my brain sharp. Alright. To keep your brain sharp, you can engage in the following activities. 1. Physical activities, like exercise. Frequent exercise improves cognitive performance by increasing blood flow to the brain, which encourages the development of the brain cells. You can engage in exercise like dancing, cause dancing benefits your body and mind as it combines both physical activities with mental coordination and rhythm. 2. Meditation and mindfulness. Yoga and sitting meditation are examples of mindfulness practices that can help increase focus, lower stress levels, and improve the brain function. 3. Diet and sleep. A nutritious diet that is high in vegetables and omega-3 fatty acids and also consuming fruits can help maintain brain function. Also, memory stabilization and cognitive function depends on getting enough sleep. 4. Engaging in mental exercises. This includes playing brain teasers games like puzzles, jigsaw and Sudoku. Also playing card and board games like chess, bridge game and Scrabble, which demands problem-solving abilities and strategic thinking, enhances your memory and cognitive abilities. 5. Social interaction. Engaging in social activities with others and also spending time with loved ones can help enhance mood, lower stress and boost the brain performance. Also, finding a way to manage stress is very important, cause chronic stress can have a detrimental effect on the brain. So, hope I've answered your question and you really understood all I said? Yes, of course, I understand and will put that to work. Thanks so much. So have a nice day. Please, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, kindly hit the subscribe button for more healthy lifestyle hack.